So it's time to plant potatoes. This is mid-February and we have our seed potatoes ready. This year we're going to try to plant them on our raised beds. We simply place them in the ground a couple of inches, cover them up, then we come back and put hay over the top of these rows, similar to the Ruth Stout method. Our potatoes did really well using this method. We're really satisfied with the way they turned out. So this is what it looks like here we are at harvest time. It was as simple as pulling up the roots, shaking them off, and picking up the potatoes. We were quite satisfied with the way this turned out. Hope you enjoyed this little video.